If you're thinking about getting Norton Secure VPN, there are a few key things you should know before pulling the trigger. With so many VPN options out there, like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, it's important to make sure Norton is the right fit for your needs. Let's break down what you need to know. First up, Norton Secure VPN offers solid security. It uses AES 256 encryption, which is the standard for protecting your data from hackers, but compared to some of its competitors, like ExpressVPN, Norton does have fewer advanced security features, like a kill switch or split tunneling. While it does the job for basic browsing, you may want more if you're looking for top-tier protection. Next thing, speed can vary. While it performs well for general use, you'll notice some slowdowns during high traffic times. If you're planning to stream or game with high speeds, some competitors, like CyberGhost, might give you a better experience in terms of speed consistency. The third thing to keep in mind is server network size. Norton Secure VPN has a smaller network of servers compared to others, like NordVPN, which has thousands of servers worldwide. Fewer servers can mean fewer options for bypassing geo-restrictions and sometimes slower speeds, especially during peak usage. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Norton Secure VPN is incredibly simple to set up and use, which is a big plus if you're new to VPNs. It's beginner-friendly, unlike some competitors that offer more complex setups with additional features that might overwhelm a new user. However, if you're an advanced user, you may find it limiting compared to VPNs like private internet access, which gives you more granular control over your settings. The fifth thing is device compatibility. Norton VPN works on most devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS, but it doesn't support routers or certain smart TVs like some of its rivals, such as NordVPN, which offers more flexibility for smart home setups. The sixth thing is privacy. While Norton Secure VPN has a no-logs policy, it's part of a larger company that also offers antivirus software. Some users may have concerns about their data being shared with Norton's broader ecosystem. Competitors, like ProtonVPN, offer the same no-logs policy, but come from companies more focused solely on privacy. The seventh thing to consider is its pricing. Norton Secure VPN is priced fairly, but it might not be the most cost-effective option when compared to services like Surfshark, which offers similar features at a lower price, especially with multi-year plans. Next, let's talk about streaming. Norton Secure VPN works with some streaming services like Netflix and Hulu, but it's not as consistent as other VPNs, such as ExpressVPN, which is known for reliably bypassing geo-restrictions and offering fast speeds for streaming. The ninth thing to know is its customer support. Norton's support is solid, offering 24/7 chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. However, some users have reported that response times can be slower than those of competitors like CyberGhost, which provides a quicker response time for urgent issues. Next up, multi-device support. While Norton's VPN allows for simultaneous connections on up to 10 devices, this is still behind some competitors, like Surfshark, which offers unlimited simultaneous device connections, making it ideal for larger households or those with many devices. The 11th thing to know is the lack of advanced features. Norton doesn't offer features like double VPN or Tor over VPN, which some competitors like NordVPN provide for extra layers of privacy and security. This might not be a deal breaker for casual users, but privacy-conscious individuals may prefer a more feature-rich service. And the 12th thing is the free trial. Norton Secure VPN offers a 7-day free trial, but be aware it's only available for the paid version, and you'll need to enter payment details up front. Competitors like Windscribe offer a more generous free tier with a no-strings-attached setup. Overall, Norton Secure VPN is a solid choice for basic VPN needs, offering ease of use, decent security, and fair pricing. However, if you want a better option with more features and flexibility, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.